Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have some new Happy Planner goodies that I want to show you. Happy Planner reached out to me because I had applied for their ambassador program when they first opened it, and they asked me if I wanted to do some content with their new Walmart exclusive Simply layout, and you'll see why this layout is like really cool to me in just a minute when I show you. So they sent me two different ones. I believe kind of like the actual layouts are the same, it's just the designs are different. And they also sent me this little cute, let me see how many, 10 sticker sheet sticker book called Teeny Florals. So I believe, well, no, this one's called Wild and Vibrant, or I guess they're both called Wild and Vibrant. I don't know. I was thinking that maybe this sticker book kind of coordinated with this planner, but maybe not. So let's dig in and let's see. So the Simply layout is classic size planners, like the classic size cover and guts, but they're on mini discs. So you get these little small cute mini discs. So this one's on clear disc, this one is on gold. They're both plastic discs. I believe the price point for these planners at Walmart is less than $20. I want to say it's 19 something. I have not been able to find them at walmart.com, and I try my best to stay away from Walmart, like the actual store. So anyways, if I happen to stop by Walmart and see them, I will update you guys later. So let's get into this first one. It has this really pretty floral cover, and it's got gold foil on it, if you can see that. It says 2023. I really like the inside of the cover. It's got like these really pretty florals on the inside. And then let's get right into the actual planner. So you do have the cover page. We've got our 2 years at a glance, 2023 and 2024. Oh, I need to also say this is a July start 12-month planner. Okay, so it starts July this year. And now one thing we are not getting in this planner is, let me grab one to show you. Well, let's see if I can find one to show you. Maybe it's in this one. You're not getting these sheets here. So those are not included in this planner. I noticed that right off the bat. And so then our dividers, this is July. It says when in doubt, add flowers. And then we go straight into the monthly, and we do have like a polka dotted spine here, but very cute, not cute, very basic black and white, nothing really to hinder any kind of decorations if you wanted to decorate this planner. I'm sorry about my lighting, y'all. I'm using my big iPad Pro, and it's huge, so it kind of blocks my ring light. I guess I need to go back to using my small iPad. Anyways, so the difference with this planner, so it is a dashboard layout, but this is the normal dashboard layout, okay? So this would be considered your dashboard. And I'm assuming that's why this is called Simply and not Dashboard, because this is technically your dashboard in the dashboard layout planner. But you can see that your weeks are basically the same. You know, you've got Monday through Sunday, and it's just kind of blocked off, and then you still have the Monday through Sunday section up here at the top. But you do not get the dashboard side. You actually get a 2 weeks on one spread. So I guess that's why they're calling this Simply, but I really like this, and I think I'll do a separate video showing you ways or talking about ways that different ways you could use this layout. I'm already brainstorming ideas, ways that I can use it for myself. Now, I did see that somebody said the pages are thinner, but I don't feel that. I mean, if they are, it's like it's hardly noticeable to me at all. So I don't think that these pages are much thinner, if they're thinner at all, to be honest with you. I don't know. That's just my opinion. I don't know the actual paper weights, so I don't know. All right, so there's our weeks, and then we do have at the back here, you, instead of, you know, having your last week of the month, you have a notes page and then you have your currently page. So let's just flip through the dividers real quick and then we'll look at this other one and see if they're kind of the same. The dividers are really pretty in this one. So there's August. Beauty is all around for September. Bloom and grow, be strong, and know you're beautifully you. Never stop dreaming. Plant dreams, pull weeds, and grow a happy life. See, I think, yeah. So I remember seeing that quote before. That quote is here on the front of this book. And then we have January. February says the grass is green where you water it. March, April, believe in the good. May, one happy life. And then June, like I said, it's a 12-month July start. And so then at the end of June 2024, you have 3 notes pages, which is kind of cool. And then this is your back. All right, so now let's look at this one. And this one also says wild and vibrant. This is also a floral cover with gold foiling. It says this is your year, which I kind of like that because this can be reused, whereas this one has the current year on the front. The inside cover is really pretty. Your cover page or your name page here. And then we go into the same type setup. You got this for your July divider. So yeah, your month is the same. And it looks like your weeklies are the same as well. I didn't think to look and see. Yeah, the weeklies I don't think change. If they do, I didn't notice it. I like how this is like thin. This would be a lot more portable than just like a normal classic size planner on classic discs. So then we go in there, and then you have your August divider. September, this is the good life. October, make yourself proud. We've seen these florals before. November, the journey is just as important as the destination. December, this is real pretty. January, every path you cross can change the direction of your life. February says trust the process. March, life is as good as you make it. Keep dreaming for April. May, and then June, this is your year. And then you go into the 3 notes pages at the back. All right, so let's look at the little sticker book. It's the cutest little sticker book I've ever seen. I do not know the price point on this one. Like I said, this is called Teeny Florals, and there are 10 sheets in here. So we start right off the bat with some vertical stickers. I'm assuming this is not made to go with the Simply layout because it's not a vertical layout. But you can use these any size or shape sticker in any planner. There's always ways to work around it. This is a clear sticker sheet with lots of cute florals that do match that first planner I showed you. So if you'll notice, the florals are kind of the same type florals that are in this planner. Yeah. So your third sheet, these notched out boxes are meant to go in your monthly section. These are clear quotes with some gold foiling. Then we have some circle stickers, some gold foil boxes, and then we have gold foil. These are on clear paper. And we have some header boxes. And then some clear, like floral kind of borders, or I don't know, just like strips of stickers. And then we have some more circles. All right, so that is it for what Happy Planner sent me as an ambassador. I will be doing some plan with me. So if you guys have picked this up at Walmart, you need some inspiration as far as decorating your spreads, I will definitely have those videos for you coming soon. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments, have you seen this these new releases at your local Walmart, and did you pick them up if you saw them? So that's it for this one. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.